My name is Philippe Fauchet, and I'm the Dean of the School of Engineering at Vanderbilt University. I would like to welcome you to Vanderbilt University School of Engineering Annual Award presentation. A very special welcome to parents and family members of our School of Engineering seniors. It is an interesting time of the year on the Vanderbilt campus, a time that we all have been looking forward to, but have had to adjust over the past 7 weeks. Still, it is a celebratory time for our newest alumni, and their hard work and outstanding accomplishments must be acknowledged, even if we cannot celebrate in person together this year. Today, on this milestone event, my colleagues and I have some awards to present to some outstanding graduates via this video message. For our first award, it is my pleasure to acknowledge our Founders Medalists. As you heard from Provost Wente, the Founders Medal was endowed by Cornelius Vanderbilt and signifies first honors for each graduating class. I'm thrilled to announce again the Founders Medalist from the School of Engineering, and his name is Luke David Neise of Wildwood, Missouri. He is graduating with a double major in mechanical engineering and classical civilization. You can learn more about Luke's Vanderbilt career in the commencement program. Luke, I'm so proud of your academic accomplishments and wish you the best in your graduate studies at my graduate alma mater, Stanford University. My next announcement is the School of Engineering Banner Bearer. This distinction is awarded to an engineering student who has been judged by the faculty to have excelled in all aspects of his or her undergraduate career and usually leads the field of engineering graduates to their seats. Of course, we will have to wait until next year for him to demonstrate this talent. Our banner bearer is Keegan Maguire Campanelli, the son of Miss Catherine Maguire and Dr. David Campanelli of Palmyra, Virginia. He is graduating with a degree in electrical engineering. He will begin his career with RTI in Sunnyvale, California as a software engineer. Keegan, I'm impressed by your accomplishments at Vanderbilt, both in and out of the classroom, and I wish you the very best as you embark on your professional career. Next, I present the Dean's Award for Outstanding Service. This award is given to a graduating senior who has shown remarkable leadership qualities and has made the greatest contribution in personal service to the school. This year, the service award goes to 2 recipients, Caroline Olivia Jensen and Nnamdi Chidozie Okabonye. Caroline Jensen is a daughter of Andy and Stephanie Jensen of Cincinnati, Ohio. She served as the president and vice president of the school's chapter of the American Society of Civil Engineers. She volunteered with the Vanderbilt Engineering Brigade, where she designed a water system for a community in Honduras. In addition, Caroline conducted research as part of a team working with Array of Things sensors on campus to capture air mobility and air quality data. She graduates with a degree in civil engineering and will pursue a master's degree in civil engineering at Vanderbilt. Nnamdi Chidozie Okabonye is the son of Romanus and Eucharia Okabonye of South Holland, Illinois. He has served on the executive board of the school's chapter of the National Society of Black Engineers for 3 years, and as a student VU Scepter for 3 years as well. He also served as president and committee chair of the Mosaic Diversity Recruitment Program for 4 years and led the executive board team while collaborating with the Office of Undergraduate Admissions for the Mosaic program. Nnamdi graduates with a degree in computer science, and he will join Microsoft as a software engineer in Seattle, Washington. Caroline and Nnamdi, thank you both for your outstanding service to the school throughout your undergraduate careers. I wish you the best as you become young professionals, setting good leadership examples for your peers. The following students are honored with the Dean's Award for Outstanding Scholarship. Each student has exemplified the highest degree of scholarship and is recognized as a summa cum laude graduate of the School of Engineering. They are Jory Donna Budzikowski, Matthew Prasad Burruss, Keegan Maguire Campanelli, Kendall Helene Derry, James Alexander Dohm, William Henry Hellman, Kenween Joe, Emery Canley, Hao-Yu Lee, Timothy Leong, Alan Joseph Luna, Luke David Neise, Dalton J. Nelson, Stephanie Pellegrino, Swapnil Pandey, Ayush Sangari, Hansen Wu, Jinshi Xiang, Yufei Yan, Juisen Zhan. Summa graduates, I wish you continued success in your academic and professional pursuits. Now, I call on my colleagues to recognize program award winners for each undergraduate program. These awards are given to members of the graduating class who, in the opinion of their program faculty, have made the greatest progress in professional development during their undergraduate career. My department colleagues will announce the winner for each program award. First, I ask Mike King, J. Lawrence Wilson Professor of Engineering and Chair of the Department of Biomedical Engineering, to present the BME Program Award.
On behalf of the Faculty of Biomedical Engineering, it is my pleasure to present the BME Program Award to Dalton Nelson. The Program Award is the highest student award bestowed by our department. Dalton is from Kansas City, Missouri, and was part of a special 3-2 dual degree program with William Jewell College in Missouri, spending his first 2 years there and his last 2 years here at Vanderbilt. He finishes here with a Bachelor of Engineering degree in BME and a Bachelor of Arts degree in Mathematics and Philosophy, with a minor in physics and a 4.0 GPA at both colleges. Dalton has been active in undergraduate research here at Vanderbilt, working in the lab of Professor Rick Hazelton on a device for the detection of drug resistance mutations in HIV. He presented this work at the annual conference of the Biomedical Engineering Society last fall. He also completed undergraduate research projects in math and physics at William Jewell College. He served as vice president of the running club at Vanderbilt and also loves mountain climbing, which is how he'll spend this summer as a hiking guide in Colorado. I'm pleased to report that Dalton has decided to pursue his PhD in biomedical engineering here at Vanderbilt and will continue his work on low-resource diagnostics and microfluidics in the Hazelton lab. Congratulations, Dalton.
Thank you, Mike. Next, I ask Ken Jennings, Professor of Chemical and Biomolecular Engineering and Chair of the Department, to present the Chemical Engineering Program Award.
I am honored to present the Program Award for Chemical Engineering to James Dohm from Beverly Hills, California. James has earned his Bachelor's of Engineering in Chemical Engineering with honors, along with a minor in chemistry. I know James very well. I had the privilege to teach him in my elective course, and he is a very inquisitive student. James's questions were the type that often made me think twice about what I was saying in front of the class. James has been a terrific leader in our department. He has served as president of our student chapter of the American Institute of Chemical Engineers, or AICHE, for the past 2 academic years. During that time, James has led an active student board that has enhanced student-faculty engagement as well as alumni funding to support our student chapter. In the fall of 2019, James led a group of 7 undergraduates from our department to participate in the AICHE annual meeting, where 6 of our 7 participants won awards, including James, who won first prize in his division of the undergraduate research poster session. Speaking of his honors research, James has investigated the design of nanoscale thin films as antifouling coatings in dialysis machines, working with Dr. Paul Liebinus. In 2018, James won the AICHE's Donald and Mildred Top Oatmer Scholarship, which was awarded to only 15 chemical engineering undergraduates nationwide. James has also studied abroad in Budapest and served in leadership roles for Vanderbilt Student Volunteers for Science and the Commodore Orchestra. James will start in July for ExxonMobil as the Central Projects Manager. James, congratulations on winning the 2020 Chemical Engineering Program Award.
Thank you, Ken. Next, Doug Adams, Daniel F. Flowers Professor, Distinguished Professor of Civil and Environmental Engineering and Chair of the Department, will present the Civil Engineering Program Award.
On behalf of the Civil Engineering faculty, I am very pleased to recognize William Harlow as the winner of the 2020 Civil Engineering Program Award. Will comes from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. When he got to Vanderbilt, he knew he wanted to pursue an engineering degree, but did not know which type. So freshman year, he took an engineering module with Professor Troxel and built a concrete dam. That immediately sparked an interest in Will in what we call the built environment. So Will took structural engineering as the focus of his program, and he took every single class in structural engineering that he could take from Professor Troxel and Professor Byers. He also held multiple internships, including one with the city of Oklahoma, and got to assist in the construction of a new downtown railcar, park, and convention center. Last summer, he did research here in Professor Burruss's lab, working to understand how infrastructure recovers from natural disasters. And in his senior design project, Will and his group took on a big challenge. They designed a new way to build a foundation of a home. And with the design Will developed, the foundation can be designed and constructed on an individual home basis, which saves thousands of dollars and months of construction time. Will was also a very active participant in campus life at Vanderbilt. He joined VIDA, which is the Latin dance group, for a year with no prior experience dancing, and pledged the Phi Kappa Psi fraternity. He also rarely missed a Vanderbilt football game. He wants to thank all his professors and fellow students for all the support they gave him in his time at Vanderbilt. We want to thank you, Will, for all you've done to elevate the civil engineering program, and we can't wait to see all the great things you do in designing the built infrastructure of the future. Congratulations to you, Will, on receiving the 2020 Civil Engineering Program Award.
Thank you, Doug. Next, I ask Dan Fleetwood, Olin H. Landreth Professor of Engineering and Chair of the Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, to present the program awards for computer engineering, computer science, and electrical engineering.
Thank you. On behalf of the EECS faculty members, I'm very pleased to present the 3 undergraduate program awards that are given out in our department to 3 extraordinary graduating seniors who have all done great things at Vanderbilt and from whom we expect even greater things in the future. The first award, which is for our computer engineering program, goes to Matthew Burruss, who will be graduating with a Bachelor of Engineering degree in Computer Engineering and a Master of Science degree in Computer Science. Matthew is the son of Dave and Dr. Jody Burruss of Louisville, Kentucky. During the summer after his sophomore year, he performed undergraduate research at the Institute for Software Integrated Systems under the direction of Professor Abhishek Dubey. During his junior and senior years, he continued this research on ways to increase the robustness of deep neural networks. Later, this work formed the basis for his master's thesis. Matthew will particularly remember his friends in Alpha Tau Omega and the memories that they shared. After graduation, Matthew will be joining Microsoft Corporation in Seattle, Washington as a software engineer. The second award is for our computer science program. This award goes to Yufei Yan, who will be graduating with a Bachelor of Science degree in computer science and mathematics. Yufei is the daughter of Yang Yan and Tao Shi of Nanjing, China. Yufei worked as a computer science grader and also as an undergraduate research assistant. During the spring of her junior year, Yufei was an intern at Facebook, and she also had a summer internship with Microsoft. She received the Phi Beta Kappa Freshman Essay Award for 2017 and performed in the Lunar New Year Festival cultural showcase held by the Vanderbilt University Chinese Students and Scholars Association in each of the years that she spent on campus. After graduation, Yufei will also be joining Microsoft Corporation in Edmond, Washington, and also as a software engineer. The third award, which is for our electrical engineering program, goes to Emery Conley, who will be graduating with a Bachelor of Engineering degree in electrical engineering with minors in computer science and in engineering management. Emery is the son of Banu and Nuri Conley of Istanbul, Turkey. Emery was active in Vanderbilt's NASA Student Launch Project under the guidance of Professor Anil Kumar of the Department of Mechanical Engineering. This group won national championships in 2018 and 2019 competitions. After graduation, Emery will be attending Imperial College of London to pursue a master's degree in analog and digital circuit design. Again, on behalf of the faculty members of the Department of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, it is my great pleasure, my honor, and my privilege to congratulate Matthew, Yufei, and Emery and wish them all the best for the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dan. Next, Yorgos Kostoulas, Professor of the Practice of Engineering Management and Director of the Division of General Engineering, who will present the Program Award for Engineering Science.
This year's Engineering Science Award goes to Nathan Wasserman. Nate had a demanding schedule at Vanderbilt, balancing his academic, research, and extracurricular activities. In spite of that heavy load and multiple commitments, he had a wonderful attitude and disposition, which was very much appreciated by all faculty. Our faculty enjoyed getting to work with him during his Vanderbilt journey. We are all thrilled he's receiving this award. Congratulations, Nate, and good luck in your next endeavor.
Thank you, Yorgos. Now I ask Nilanjan Sarkar, David K. Wilson Professor of Engineering and Chair of the Mechanical Engineering Department, who will present that program's award.
On behalf of the Mechanical Engineering faculty, it is my privilege to present the 2020 Mechanical Engineering Program Award to Luke Neise. The program award is presented to an outstanding senior who is judged to have the greatest progress in professional development during the study and pursuit of mechanical engineering. Congratulations, Luke. Luke came to Vanderbilt from St. Louis, Missouri. He is an outstanding scholar. Luke is graduating with 2 majors, one in mechanical engineering, one in classical civilization, with a perfect GPA in both. He has done extensive undergraduate research with 2 labs, the Vanderbilt Aerospace Design Lab, popularly known as Rocket Club, and also with Multi-Scale Computational Mechanics Lab during his undergraduate study. Luke was a member of the Rocket Club team that won the NASA's national competition. Luke has won the prestigious NSF Graduate Research Fellowship that will support him for his PhD. Luke has interned with industry. He was also involved with several extracurricular activities and was president of the Tau Beta Pi Engineering Honors Society. I asked Luke out of curiosity whether he gets any time to relax, and he said, of course, he loves to watch movies and he watches movies every week. He's also a diehard fan of Boston sports team, even though he never lived in Boston. Luke, the Mechanical Engineering faculty is proud to confer upon you the 2020 Mechanical Engineering Program Award. Congratulations.
Thank you, Nilanjan, and congratulations to all the program award winners as you embark on the next stage of your professional development. Now we have 2 additional awards to present. The Wilson and NELLIE PYLE Miser Award is presented to a senior engineering student who has excelled in all aspects of mathematics during the student's undergraduate career. John Rafter, Principal Senior Lecturer and Director of Undergraduate Studies in Mathematics, will present this award.
I have the honor of awarding the Wilson and NELLIE PYLE Miser Award, honoring a graduating engineering school student who has distinguished him or herself in mathematics. Doc Miser joined the mathematics faculty in 1926. He took a particular interest in the mathematical education of engineering students. When the Department of Applied Math was formed in the School of Engineering in 1945, Professor Miser became the head. His wife Nellie also taught mathematics at Vanderbilt during times of special need, especially during World War II. Professor Miser retired in 1951. It is my pleasure to announce that this year's Miser Award goes to Noah Popham. Applied math majors are required to take 4 math electives. Noah took 12. Equally impressive, he also took courses from 14 different mathematics faculty. His math instructors had glowing comments like smart and clever. His solutions were insightful with original ideas that got to the heart of the matter in efficient ways. During presentations, he explained the ideas clearly. He has a lot of innate talent, and my favorite, if I needed an answer in a hurry, I would call on Noah. I had the pleasure to be one of Noah's 14 math instructors and echo all of the comments. Noah sat in the back left corner of the room, clearly engaged in the material, was a go-to choice for subtle questions, asked insightful questions, and kept me honest. Please join me in congratulating Noah.
Thank you, Professor Rafter. Next is the STEIN Memorial Award, which is awarded to a member of the graduating class who best embodies the concept of a student athlete. Assistant Dean Burruss Mitchell, who was a student athlete himself, will present the STEIN Award.
The 2020 STEIN Memorial Award goes to Kendall Derry, daughter of Keith and Laura Derry. Kendall is from Fair Oaks, California, and she's graduating with a degree in biomedical engineering. Kendall is a member of the Vanderbilt swimming track and field team, where she was a middle distance runner. She lettered all 4 years, excelling in the 800 and 1500 meters. Kendall is the recipient of the NCAA postgraduate scholarship, and she was named to the SEC Academic Honor Roll. In addition, Kendall conducted research as part of a team working with Dr. Carl Zelig's lab for biomechanics and assistive technology. Kendall, congratulations on your outstanding performance, both in and outside of the classroom.
Thank you, Dean Mitchell. And this concludes our awards presentations. On behalf of the faculty and staff of the School of Engineering, I congratulate all of our award recipients. Parents, I congratulate you on helping to shape some outstanding young women and men. Award recipients, we, the faculty, are proud of you. We are very happy that you represent the School of Engineering. I look forward to seeing you next year on campus when we can celebrate your accomplishments in a traditional way and share your new experiences of this coming year.